everyone. So it's day one of the 12 days of Christmas in July DIYs. I will be using mainly Dollar Tree products. And for the first one, I'm going to be using a summer toy to create a Christmas DIY. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so we're going to use 2 pool noodles, some of the white duct tape. Both these items are from Dollar Tree. And then we'll also be using some fishing line, and this was, I think, like $1.70 something at Walmart. So here we go. This is going to be a really simple DIY, but it's a big wow factor. Okay. Just gonna start down here. We are just going to wrap. And this duct tape is, look at that. What is wrong with this stuff? Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, so we'll use this as the bottom. This is where the duct tape decided to mess up on me, but it will not be noticeable. And here's what you should have so far. Now I'm going to take the fishing line, and hopefully I can do this by myself. It would be easier if you had someone to help you, but no one's home at the time, of course. So just get your fishing line ready, cut off a length, and then you will bend your pool noodle into the shape of a candy cane. Tie your fishing line around so it holds. I actually had to tie 2 pieces around. Probably should have got a stronger line, but I did make it work out. Okay, so here it is, a giant candy cane from a summer toy pool noodle. So I'm going to wrap the other one, and I'll show you what I have in just a second. And here you go. I decided to use the other pool noodle and just make 2 giant peppermint sticks. I did wrap these in the clear cellophane paper. I twisted it at the end and used some ribbon to tie a bow at each end. These are really affordable, guys. I think I maybe have $4 or $5 in this project, and you can get all the items at Dollar Tree except for the fishing line. And you may have some of that in your garage, who knows? I hope you enjoyed the first Christmas in July DIY. Stay tuned for day 2 tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching the video today. Thanks to my subscribers for your support as always. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you tomorrow in the next DIY.